Got to get the old skid steer fired up early morning, you know. Let's see how Case does it. Oh yeah. Ugh. All right. Woo! Purr like a kitten. Let's see, these things just kind of go on. Ugh. They're close. This one's really bent. Watch out! So far, so good. Rented a scissor lift. It's a 19-footer. I rented it for the week. That way we can do this easily. So still need to make the jig for the skid steer, but this will at least go up, and that way I can cut the notches. The city is also wanting to fine me if I don't clean up within 10 days. So I think this pile gone, that pile, the RV's got to do something with, and I don't know what else piles they want, but they want it cleaned up, and I'm like, I don't have that much time to clean everything up. You know, I'm trying to get this building up. You guys gave me a year to do, and I'm not the richest man, okay? I spend money like I make it, you know. But it's like, dang, man, it's like I feel like I can't catch a break. But let's just get this off so I can start going up. Whew, shit. Oh. I told you I needed one more. Oh my God. We're going. I'm not stopping. Oh. Whee! Look at me. Oh, that was fun. Ugh. Bah. Give me 1.5 inches. Go all the way down. This is 7 inches. We'll add another inch because we're 8 inches. Cross lodge. Okay. And then hit the top. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now we got our notch. Grab our chainsaw. Timber. Watch out. We'll go in there and clean it up. I don't think I was straight. Check the back. I was not straight. Up top I'm straight, so I need to cut this at an angle. Well, a few days later, we are in the truck. We got the telehandler in the back here. Did you know that the telehandler, and don't quote me on this because this is what the guy told me, weighs over 10,000 pounds? The towing capacity of my HD is 10,000 pounds, not including the trailer. And the trailer is all metal. So currently, we're 2 minutes out from the house. And this road sucks. But this is costing me $600 now for the telehandler. All right, look, there's Lane. The telehandler and the scissor lift. Last night, Lane and I got most of the wood put up on the sides. I had to buy 4 more, and I got more purlins. Purlins are, look at this guy, are the tops that run on the trusses. So now we should finally be done with all the base, all the structure, okay? And I don't know where to go with this thing, but let's see what I can do. Yeah, I got more wood. I got the purlins for the top. Oh man, look at this bad boy. There it goes. All right. Crash course? That's the boom?
No, that's reverse.
Okay, where's the boom? I need to go up. What's that?
Parking brake.
Okay, so reverse.
Yep, you're in reverse.
Huh?
You're in reverse.
Woo! Are we?
Turbo in there.
Sheila Turbo! Are we good?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh my God! I think I maxed out. This is honestly very, very scary. Not gonna lie. Good? Oh my God. Why did I choose 16-foot ceilings? That is fucking scary, nerve-wracking. I can't hear Jack Nicholson in there. Screw it in. Put like as many as you can. Oh my God.
Even with the outside?
Yeah, even with the out, they're 40 foot long. That should be perfectly level. Hold on, Lane. Scoot it down a hair if you can. Oh. Yeah, she is starting to take place right now. That's crazy to see. We're trying to find some more 2x4s to connect the tops so it's not going to try to go forward or backwards, just so we can get everything connected and that way it doesn't move. This is not sketchy at all. So Lane, Lane took over. Hopefully he can figure this out, because what I wanted to do, lift it up and then in. But now we're crooked inside. And he's like 4 feet in, but he has to go that way and be way more at an angle. I'm just keep watching this side. I'm still clear, I got 6 inches. Slow and steady wins the race. Watch out, Dad, I'm coming in. Watch out, watch out. We're going up. Oh, you hit me in the head. Jesus. What's he on, speed mode? God.
Now go up. Now go up.
Extend the boom. That's not the wall, baby. Oh my God, what you gotta do that for?
Sorry, Mom. Trust me, I'm being safe.
We're getting there. It's crazy to look at. We need lights. All right, let's move this. I wish that had lights. It does not. That's crazy. There you go. Straight up, big guy. Oh, hold on. There you go. I got it. It's okay. You're good. All right, you can go up. You can go up. You can go up. I got real scared real quick. Hopefully it's not too dark for you guys, so you guys can kind of see what's going on. I'll obviously come tomorrow and show you guys exactly how it looks, because we still got to move things around. Man, just looking at this thing looks just straight massive. It looks small, kind of. I don't know. It's only a 40 by 40. It's nothing big. That's just nuts to think of. We're trying to get this property cleaned up as much as we can. We got part of this mow, but I still need to get that figured out. This is all logs. I just have like a couple branches on it, but there's some big old logs. Start selling some firewood. If you guys want to see firewood video of us cutting the trees, splitting, selling, I don't care. Man, does that look gnarly? So what I need to do on the purlins, I want to space them out every, I think it's 4 feet, 4, 8, 12, 16. So 4, 8, 12, 16, yeah, 4 on each side. Of course there's gonna be a train. And I just connected them for tonight. It was getting late. I rented that till Monday. So today is Friday. And yeah, I know they're uneven, okay? I know that. I will fix it, okay? I hate you, train. I freaking hate you. But once I get them straights, purlins on, we can start doing the metal on the front. Okay, I'm doing 3 doors, and I want to say they're both 10 feet on the openings. So I want to say there's a 3-foot gap on the end here. So it'd be 3 foot, then the door starts 10, and then I think, because then I can put the other 2x or the 6x6s up, and then that way those will be good to go. And then I can get the doors, I can wrap the sides, hit the top with the metal, because the metal is 21 and 15/16 on the peaks. Man, Layton makes such a mess. It's crazy to think of. This is gonna be my shop. This is gonna be the new shop, guys. New shop. And it's gonna look, it's gonna be crazy. Think about 2 lifts in there, still can put a car here, and everything else. Kind of want to buy one of these. These are pretty cool. She's coming along for sure. I know right now I need to clean up more of the property, and I need to take the skid steer over there, put it in front, take the wood, put it inside, and I'll basically start all over again in the morning. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys do like the construction videos, let me know down below, leave a like. But I can't wait until this thing's done. This is costing me so much money, but it's saving me a lot by doing it myself. But to wrap this up, there's my 40 by 40. That's the complete frame, almost basically done ish. I still need to spend like $7 grand on metal, but yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.